Ever wondered how some traders keep making money, even when the market is doing absolutely nothing? No breakouts, no moonshots, no crashes, just sideways. It's like watching paint dry, but somehow these guys are profiting. What's their secret? 2 words: grid bots, powered by AI. In today's story, we're diving into the mysterious world of automated grid trading, where human emotion is replaced by algorithmic precision and bots earn profits in silence. We'll explore how these systems quietly buy low and sell high, without needing a bull or bear market, just a bunch of sideways noise. So, sit tight, because by the end of this video, you'll know how AI bots are turning boring markets into money-making machines, and which bots are leading the charge. Let's be honest, most traders love volatility. When prices are flying, everyone's tweeting gains. But what about when the market's stuck? No big swings, no clear direction, just a range. This is where most traders get chopped to pieces. Entering long, getting stopped out. Entering short, and, stopped out again. But while retail traders rage quit their charts, the bots, they're just getting started. This is where grid trading bots thrive. And it's not magic, it's math. Imagine this. You walk into a casino, but instead of betting it all on red, you place chips in equal distance, 1 on every number. It's not gambling, it's strategy. Grid bots do something similar. They place smartly buy and sell orders at preset price intervals, like a fishing net across the market range. Every time the price dips, it buys. Every time it rises, it sells. Profit from the gap. Repeat, over and over and over. No emotions, no predictions, just execution. And when AI comes into play, these bots don't just follow a grid. They learn from data, adjust levels, and optimize entries in real time. We're not just talking about bots, we're talking about smart bots. Let's take a look at the Quorchum AI-powered grid bots changing the game right now. First, Pionex, the OG of grid trading. Pionex is basically the Tesla of automated trading, sleek, efficient, and built for grid bots. Their Winnie AI grid bot automatically sets the best parameters based on recent market performance. No need for a PhD in chart reading. Just click, run, and let it work. Beginner-friendly, built-in exchange. And did we mention it's free to use? Second, Bitsgap, the multitasker. If Pionex is Tesla, then Bitsgap is like a Swiss Army knife. You get smart grid bots, DCA bots, and even arbitrage tools, all under one dashboard. Their grid bot supports take profit, stop loss, and a trailing up features, ideal for sideways and trending markets. Plus, Bitsgap's AI helps analyze pair performance before deployment. That means smarter decisions, even for beginners. Third one and last, 3 commas, the Brainiac. This one's for the more advanced minds. 3 commas gives you serious control. With our smart trading terminals, environment back testing, and AI-assisted bot creation, you can customize your grid strategy with surgical precision. It also integrates with major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. You want more control? This is where you go. Let's not sugarcoat it. No strategy is bulletproof. Grid bots shine in range-bound markets, but they can underperform during strong trends. If the market suddenly breaks out or crashes, you're stuck holding bags or missing pumps. But when configured right, with AI support, stop losses, and smart DCA logic, these bots can turn a flat, boring chart into a steady stream of micro profits. The key isn't predicting the future, it's reacting smartly to the present, and that's exactly what AI bots are trained to do. If you have a 9 to 5 and can't stare at charts all day, struggle with emotional trading, hate timing, tops and bottoms, prefer consistency over chaos, then grid bots might be your new best friend. They work best in sideways markets. And guess what? The crypto market spends over 60% of its time moving sideways. So why not profit from the silence? In a world where everyone is chasing the next pump, some traders are making quiet gains, patiently, automatically, one small trade at a time. They're not fortune tellers. They're engineers of strategy, backed by AI, logic, and cold math. So next time you see the market going sideways, don't scroll past, don't tune out. Just know that while most are waiting, the smart bots are working. And maybe it's time you let one work for you too. This has been Crypto 360 Wirena, where we break down the systems behind the hype. If you found value in this, leave a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Because next time, we're diving into the dark side of AI trading bots. You don't want to miss that. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious,